we're going to be soon heading into the jungle to start our trek. And you can see a family of elephants over there. Malaysia, a fascinating Southeast Asian country with a mixture of modern cities and ancient jungle. Okay, so just disembarked from the boat and I've already found a new friend. That doesn't taste like fruit.
It's soon there can be a meal for the elephants.
An intriguing place steeped in history and culture. As you can see, the scale is just extraordinary. Because of deforestation, this site is actually becoming rarer and rarer. Watch as we travel the country and piece together a montage of Malaysia.
This one is the basic.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a bit cheaper.
This one very good jet ski.
Okay. All right, so we're here on the beach at Langkawi. We've managed to find a jet ski tour. We're going to jump on it and go and see some of the islands.
Is that right? No.
What, are you serious?
Yep. Right, so for the last half an hour or so we've been trying to get some cash, but it appears that all the ATMs on the island don't want to accept our Visa debit cards, which is a problem because a lot of these places only accept cash. We've now managed to find some cash, so we're going to head back down here and book ourselves on a jet ski tour. Back in the game. Coconut, mate, let's go. Go and jet ski it, mate.
Yeah.
Nice shoes, man. Nice shoes.
Cheers, dude. Guys, I need a really fast jet ski, yeah?
Sorry?
I need the fastest one.
All is fast.
Well, they're all
Very
fast,
new
yeah.
one.
Can fly, yeah?
Of course.
Yeah.
We'll fly together.
Yeah?
Yeah, but
Okay.
I tell you something. Take out your glass.
Yeah, of
Later
course.
we fall.
Yeah, pro. I'm a pro, mate.
Alright,
I've
give
done
me
this
5.
before. Yeah.
Boleh? Okay, come on.
When you're out here in Langkawi, the best way to see the surrounding islands is by jet ski. Right, how does this thing work? Just got off the jet skis, so much fun, incredibly fast. Let's go and check out the first island.
Do you want to introduce what you're doing?
Gonna try and do a backflip. It was at this moment I knew I'd f***ed up. Whilst on the island of Singapore, we came across an interesting character called Zen, who told us a bit about his life and how he came to be living on the island. Okay, so what's your name?
Wow, my name is Zain Ben Hamza.
Cool. And
Yeah.
where are you from?
I'm from Johor, Darul Takzim, southern Johor. It's a peninsula Malaysia, you know, the southern is Johor. I'm living in north of Johor in Segamat, Labis. So I come here is about 250 days all around from the way far away from home. So this is this area I living about 208 days around here. So I find this place truly is in my dream. You know, it's a like dream come true. 3.5 years before this, my brother-in-law taking care of this place, you know, like the simple basic shelter, just have a pool like that. So the netting around is by me. You know what happened? For the 7 day I come here, when the rain outside, you wet outside, isn't it? So you wet inside also, if the rain coming. So you know, in the day night, the rain is coming. I don't know nothing. Don't have knowledge this place. So I have to struggle in the wet thing. I keep. So this is what happened, and this is a good shelter. After 208 days, I want to remove to a new shelter there. This is the stair. You can go up there. And I want to make a monkey proof, you know.
Monkey proof.
Yeah.
You get monkeys in here.
The UNESCO scientists come every 5 years and makes a declaration for geopark.
Where do you get your food? Are you fishing or?
Yeah, fishing. The supplier coming once a week.
And you buy food from him?
Yeah. And in this island, just have this in the rainforest weather, you know. Yeah.
And this fish that you're cooking, did you catch that yourself?
Yeah. It's like BBQ to fry. For the menu, like do some noodle, do some soup. So it's like the survival thing. This is the skull of deer, and we have a live deer here. I think it's like 4 or 5 like that, and it's still going birds for the good environment here.
What's this island called?
Singa Besar Island.
Singa Besar.
Yeah, like Singapore.
Okay.
It's Singa Besar. That's mean the big lion island. Singa, that's mean
But there's no lion.
No, maybe once upon a time, like Singapore. And I think this is the most weird place in the world, isn't it? I'm one of the population this Singa Besar Island. And you know Bob Marley? You know Bob Marley? I'm Bob Marley. Not Bob Marley. So you are in like 3.5 miles square, this area, this island, and this is the 3rd largest area in this area. Okay, thank you,
Great.
man. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
This is Basa, one of the smaller islands off Langkawi. Even though it's a bit overcast, it's still pretty awesome. We've had some amazing adventures here in Malaysia so far, but unfortunately our time is almost at an end. We've got one more awesome activity planned for tomorrow when we're going to go snorkeling and hopefully see some sharks. We're here on Pulau Paya and we're going to go snorkeling. Let's go and find some sharks.
Seen a shark yet?
Nah mate. No sharks.
Holy sh**. There's a massive one here.